Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we are going to learn how to pronounce the top 20 places to visit in the Philippines. This video is perfect for travelers, students, foreigners, and English learners. I will pronounce each place slowly, then normally, so you can listen and repeat. Take your time, pause the video if needed, and let's begin. How to pronounce top 20 places. First is Boracay. Boracay. Boracay is famous for its white sand beaches. El Nido, Palawan. El Nido, Palawan. Coron, Palawan. Coron, Palawan. Coron is known for clear lakes and diving spots. Siargao. Siargao. Siargao is the surfing capital of the Philippines. Bantayan, Cebu. Bantayan Island, Cebu. Bantayan Island, Camiguin. Camiguin Island. Camiguin is known as the island born of fire. Siquijor. Siquijor. Siquijor is known for waterfalls and peaceful beaches. Malapascua Island. Malapascua. Malapascua is popular for diving. Banawe rice terraces. Banawe rice terraces are very famous. Batanes. Batanes is known for rolling hills and stone houses. Mayon volcano. Mayon volcano is famous for its perfect cone shape. Sagada. Sagada. Sagada is known for mountains and caves. Mount Pulag. Mount Pulag is famous for the Sea of Clouds. Kawasan Falls. Kawasan Falls, Cebu. Kawasan Falls is located in Cebu. Vigan. Vigan is known for Spanish-style streets. Intramuros, Manila. Intramuros, Manila. Manila is the capital of the Philippines. Cebu. Cebu City. Cebu City is rich in history. Baguio. Baguio is known for its cool climate. Bohol. Bohol. Bohol is famous for the chocolate hills. You've just learned how to pronounce the top 20 places to visit in the Philippines. Practice these words every day to improve your pronunciation. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.